What's up, y'all? Have a glass of wine with you. Oh, that's good. You know they make fortified wine, but you can just pour a little bit of liquor in there. Just, spruce up that proof a little bit. You can do it by the cup, or you can do it in a whole damn bottle. That's pretty cool, right? Pick that up to Goodwill for $6. Been making a lot of videos about doing reviews and advertising. A lot of these products are products I wanted, and I found a company and I sent them an email like, send me one, let me try that out, free stuff. And a lot of these companies I support quite a bit. I kind of am a prepper. I never told y'all that, but I'm gonna start making some prepper videos, some review videos, lots of review videos. I don't mean for them to be back to back. It's just I send all these emails out and got all this free stuff, and it's all coming in at the same time. Plus, it's winter time, and I got to take the winter off. I moved everything out of here. Shit's getting hot. You know what I mean? So, might do some backwoods videos. You might see some real life backwoods shit going on with a campfire or a fucking bottle of propane. But I had to get everything out of here. And you're popping everybody. And I had a couple friends recently got hit, and it's getting scary. And I've been going at it pretty hard for a long time, so I think I'm gonna take the winter off. I do have one more run. It won't be here. In case y'all's watching, it won't go down here. But I got one more run at least to do. But I got another location all picked out, set up. Gonna make some videos there. There won't be as many videos. Plus, when you're running in winter, it could take a month to do a run, because a mash is slow. It's slow going. Even if you got a fish tank heater in there, it's gonna run slow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But a lot of these products I'm reviewing, I support, and I've wanted all this stuff. So I send them emails and they send it to me. I support this company real big. You'll see a video. I love this company. I love BattleBox too. Anything prepping stuff, it's gonna be awesome. And then food, if they send me some free food, I'm gonna do a lot of cooking videos this winter too. Now I know you guys are into the moonshine, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm just gonna have to take a little break. I mean, it's not gonna be a complete break. It's just gonna be It already takes quite some time to pump out a video. You know what I mean? Because you gotta wait to ferment. Takes a couple weeks sometimes. In the winter, it takes about a month. Still gonna do the alcohol. I don't know, man. I feel kind of bad. But I ain't gonna do a lot of reviews this winter, and things have been rough. I gotta find some way, and I know that I really ain't gonna make shit off of it, but I do get free stuff, and I had a business just recently. It's completely gone. Like, I don't make any more money at it, and it's hurting. I'm gonna build stills. I'm gonna hit them hard. If you guys need stills for Christmas, feel free to go to Philbilly Moonshine and buy one. If you want to give them out as Christmas presents or get yourself one, that is awesome. I appreciate it. I'm going to raffle off the original Weber still that I made my first moonshine video with. I'm going to raffle it off. Trying to find a professional raffle company That way it's all online and digital, and it's more professional, because I know a lot of people don't like how I do. I pick a letter out of a hat, and that pissed some people off. But I'm gonna raffle that off. I'm gonna start raffling off some stuff because I need to make some cash. That's just the way it is. It's just slow this time every year for me. It's kind of rough, but I'm gonna get through it, and I hope you guys stick with me. I'm not selling out. I'm not saying I wouldn't if the price is right. I mean, you give me a couple G's, I'll tattoo your name on my chest. You know, everything's for sale, and Philbilly's at the top of the list. I'm gonna do a bunch of review videos, prepping videos, cooking videos. This summer I'm gonna try and do some outdoor stuff. I don't know. Hopefully I'll be cleaning a deer in the next week or so. I'll string it up in a tree. Hopefully they don't, they let me put it on YouTube. If they do, I'll show you guys how I clean a deer up. I even butcher it. I'm not the greatest, but it's something I enjoy doing. Trying new things is something I enjoy doing too. Like all these products I get, trying them out, it's awesome. I really enjoy it. If you don't like it, then don't watch. I know I am getting to be like QVC. I love you motherfuckers so much. But I know you guys support me, and you guys know I'm real. I party with a lot of yous. You guys see me partying with Toby. Got Mark coming up here soon. If you guys are ever in an area and you want to hang out, let me know. I'll get you plastered. I'm trying to slow down, though. Really, I've been hitting her a little too hard. But, I don't know, man. Figured I better make this video. I was going to go live, but a lot of people missed the lives. I wanted everybody to know that, you know, there ain't nothing sketchy going on around the house. Everything's been moved out of here. And we're going to be backwoods boys for here on out. At least I am. I mean, I'm going to be a backwoods kind of guy. I'm going to show you guys what it's really like. I'd like to take a trip when I get my money right, and take a trip to the mountains. You know what I'm saying? That'd be pretty freaking cool to go up and do it on a spring-fed mountain. You know, have the still fed from the spring with that good spring water. I don't know, man. It sucks, but I gotta take a break. I'm gonna do other things. I'm gonna make content constantly. Some of it you might not like, but bear with me. I'll try and get as much brewing related, you know, content as I can. Maybe start doing some more wines, some beers, and you know, maybe taking things and, you know, I'd like to really start making some liqueurs. That's what I want to do. I want to do some liqueurs. I got a bunch of liqueurs in mind. I'm going to start making liqueurs. Now, I get it, like a lot of people, they got big nuts and they only drink 190 proof liquor. When liqueurs are proof down to about 30 or 40 proof. But it's fun, and they taste great, and they're medicinal as shit. Make some homemade schnapps, why not? I think I'm going to start doing a lot of that. As far as the distilling goes, there's going to be some more in the future. It just is not going to be here. Because when they come through that door, which they probably will, I don't want to be able to have shit on me. I can't afford an attorney. You know what I'm saying? I know it's a disappointment, and I'm sorry, but it's just I gotta do what's best Plus, I need a vacation anyways from that shit. You know what I mean? I've been hitting her hard, son, for a few years now. Wine, boy. That smells good. That's that welfare wine I made. That's a good wine. Welch's grape juice. You couldn't tell that different from something come out of a bottle from the store. Some fancy shit from California. But that's all I got. If you guys got any questions, most of you have my phone number. Give me a call, text me, put it in the comments. If you don't like my review videos, don't watch them. It's my bad, man. But you know, I love trying new shit, dude. A lot of these companies I support wholeheartedly, like you know, Battle Box, Blackbeard, Outlaw Soap. Them are some badass companies. That pillow, that some bitch is comfortable, man. Tell me you don't need a new comfortable pillow. I hooked you up. Go get you one. Nah, no, if you don't want to, don't. But, you know, by all means, I already know I like these products before I get them, usually. Like, I know this company is awesome, and I got a video coming out about them. It's just, you know, if I see something I want, they give me one for free, and all I gotta do is make a video. I'm making a video, y'all. If you want to support me, there's a donate button on the page. I will be raffling off the original Vever still that I made my first distilling video on. And I'll probably throw some stickers with it. I thought one day I might put that, you know, on display because I made my first video with it. But it's for sale. I'm gonna raffle it off. I think raffle tickets I'll start at $3 a ticket. Hopefully I get some sold. If not, whatever I get out of it is whatever I get. I'll probably raffle some other things if that works out. Shit's getting rough. That's all I got, y'all. Like I said, if you need anything, send me a message, give me a call, text me, whatever. And if I don't, you know, talk to any of you face to face or on the phone or through messages, y'all have a good Christmas. I'll see y'all later.